everyone, Reviewer 331 here today, and today's Nerf blaster review will be on the this thing, the Nerf Fortnite BASR-L, something like that. It is a Nerf Fortnite blaster. Pretty much looks like this. It's supposed to intimidate or like be pretty much like a Nerf sniper rifle. So the key features of this blaster, when I opened up the blaster, these two pieces, all these pieces were obviously not all put together. They were all separate pieces. The stock is just like a long strike stock, where if you were to put the stock in, you can't pull it back out. It's like a one-time fix kind of thing. The Nerf Fortnite sniper rifle does have these little pieces here you can attach on either side. I prefer to have mine on one side, as to oppose having on one side or the other, or on both. Preferably on my left side. Oh, I didn't even realize it was primed. That went far. Alright, so I prefer to have the priming mechanism on the left side because it's just easier. If I'm scoped in, it makes it easier to do it that way instead of having to do it this way and then repeat cycle. It comes with a 6-dart magazine and 12 elite darts, well, 12 Fortnite elite darts more or less. And the magazine itself is styled to be in a cartoony style looking magazine, similar to Fortnite. It does come with a scope, which is completely cosmetics. It doesn't adjust, doesn't do anything. It's literally plastic and cosmetics. Now, the one thing I did notice, about this, with this blaster, is it does have a jam door. And to my experience, you can shoot this with the jam door being propped open. And what I mean is, there's no locks whatsoever to tell the blaster, hey, the jam door's open, don't shoot. It also features a anti-jam button here, right about there. And basically, if you have a jam, you open up the jam door, take out the dart, and or push the button, and you get the dart cleared. The magazine release button is right next to the trigger, so it would be, this is the trigger, this is the release, for the magazine at least. It is, I believe, a single shot, so pretty much means every time you fire the blaster, you cock it back and either take out magazine or put new magazine in, or cock back, push forward, and then you're ready to go. This also works with other magazines. If I had to guess, this works with other magazines, and we'll find out now. Yes, it does. Worked with other magazines. Nice. Now, just right out of the box, it was a little confusing trying to figure out like what were these pieces to begin with. And then it's like, oh yeah, that goes inside the priming mechanism, similar to the Alpha Hawk. Actually, one of the videos I actually released recently for a blaster of the month. This Fortnite blaster, I haven't tested its performance yet, but I'll do it right on camera. So from the door frame, from where I'm standing to the other door, I want to say is at least 30-40 feet. So if I stand further back to where I was before and just do an idea of how far this can shoot, there's nothing in it. Okay, now we're ready. Alright, so from all the way back here to all the way over there. First one, leveled. Impressive. aggressive. I like it. Alright, now for an angled. Very impressive. Alright. Already, I love this blaster a lot. So, this dart, I think this was the first dart, or second dart, I don't know. But the first leveled shot from all the way over there to shoot all the way towards the door. The leveled shot, it seemed to glide more, the ammo at least, the darts. They seem to glide more than what I'm used to. See if I can put this back where I found it. But for the leveled shots, I'm more than surprised about how well this blaster worked. The leveled shots seem to work really well. And what I mean by level is, this is level, this is angled. Because usually you would get the best performance off of 45-degree angles as to oppose all the way up, which means you lose range. You keep it level or point it down, you're obviously going to lose more range. But ideally, this blaster has potential. This has really good potential to be... it shoots far, but it's not accurate for medium or long distance dart foam flinging. And honestly, I would say that this blaster has potential for short and medium ranges, not so much long ranges for accuracy. Because I was aiming for the window panels on the door, and the first shot seemed to it went straight and then it kind of veered off a little bit. And then the second shot that was angled just a smidgen, like right about here, it kind of went up and did kind of the same thing. Honestly, this blaster, it performs really well. I like it a lot. I wish there was some way I could give it a little bit more oomph, like a little bit more power, so it wouldn't like kind of fishtail or turn or weave or whatever. I feel like I wonder if someone could easily put flywheels, and I want to say this is empty space because I could see it through the light, where there's like a chunk of dead space here with nothing in it, no internals. And I'm thinking, like, if you could put a flywheel on the flywheel and have the dart, when it gets shot out, it gets even like a little bit more momentum and force out of it. Just for modifying terms, not for anything else really. But regardless, I don't really like the scope as much because it's cosmetics. It doesn't do anything. It really doesn't do anything to improve the performance other than make it look cooler. But I would stick with this blaster completely because just demonstrating its firepower and its performance. Regardless, even though it's not accurate, it's from long distance. It is pretty accurate, medium and short distances, and this could be proven. This could be proved a worthy blaster of mine. So, honestly, I would give this, with all the features and pros and cons and whatnot, and it does come with 12 darts and 1 magazine, so you have you have 1 free refill along with a full magazine refill. So, for an overall score, I'd probably give this get this like 9 out of 10. It's a very, very powerful blaster and not to be reckoned with. However, if you're from a long distance, you're probably gonna miss your target a few times, or miss what you're trying to fling these darts at, too. But yeah, 9 out of 10 for the Fortnite BASR-L. I really like this blaster. It's aside from the long strike stock that just won't come out, because when I say long strike stock, I mean the long strike blaster. Long strike blaster and this blaster have a common factor in them where this stock does not detach. Once you put it in, it's stuck in there for all eternity. But I really like this blaster a lot, and I might as well just keep it. So 9 out of 10 for the Fortnite BASR-L. A pretty good rifle. I would not like the scope. I probably will end up getting rid of the scope, but I'll keep the blaster. The blaster's nice. So, thanks for watching, guys. This is the Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, understood the video. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer signing off for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the review on the Fortnite blaster. There will be more coming up. I have one on the Trio. I got one on the X-Shot, the Rex shotgun from The Walking Dead, new purchase. Reflex, and the long arm from Doomsland Impact Zone. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day, and hope you guys enjoyed the video.